Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video tutorial, you'll be learning how to make your homemade desiccated coconut. It is very easy and it requires minimal effort. My name is Bensanami Esther Uzioma and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. To make your desiccated coconut, you'll be needing coconuts. I have removed the coconut from the shell, so this is what it looks like. And then you'll also be needing a grater. You need to remove this brown part. We really don't need this brown part. So you take your knife and then scrape it until you have this other one that looks like white. Now that I'm done with removing the brown part of the coconut, the next thing I'll be using this part of my grater, the tiny part. So just go ahead and grate all your coconuts. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. On my channel, I film baking tutorials, tips and hacks, lifestyle, cake business tips, cooking, and more. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. This is how it will look when you're shredding it. If you would like me to shoot a video on coconut cake recipe using this homemade desiccated coconut, let me know in the comment section. Just write in the comment section, yes, I want a coconut cake video. This is what my desiccated coconut looked like after I was done grating it. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to transfer it to the cake pan. You can as well use your oven tray. So you're going to go ahead and transfer it and then spread it out. I'll be drying this on my gas stove, so I placed my cake pan into a bigger pot, and every few minutes I was turning it. You need to turn it in order to avoid it from getting burnt. And here is what it looks like. It is very dried and this can stay for a very long time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share and drop your comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.